hydrogen ions and hydronium ions. Now we know what are hydrogen ions. Hydrogen ions are the ions which are written like this. Now what are hydronium ions? Let us study this. For studying this, I am starting with the reaction of acids with water. हमने क्या पढ़ा है बेटा? That when acids, for example HCl, when they are dissolved in water, this breaks down into its constituent cation and anion. आपको पता है usually we first write the cation on the left hand side, on the right hand side we write the anion, right? Now when an acid is dissolved in water, the cation formed is H plus and the anion formed is Cl minus, right? These are the two ions formed, one cation and one anion, when an acid is dissolved in water. Similarly, if I have HNO3 which is nitric acid, अगर मेरे पास नाइट्रिक एसिड है तो ये बॉन्ड बेटे यहाँ से ब्रेक हो जाएगा एंड that means on dissolving in water it will break down into its constituent cation and anion to give the cation H plus which is the hydrogen ion. ये hydrogen ion produce होगा यहाँ पर and the anion NO3 minus which is the nitrate ion. हम क्लास 9th में ये ऑलरेडी पढ़ चुके हैं. We have already covered this in class 9th that NO3 minus ion, it is called as the nitrate ion. It is a polyatomic ion. Okay, I am not going into the details because I have discussed a lot of such examples in the previous video. So what we are seeing over here is that all the acids, they are producing H plus आयंस. क्या देख रहे हैं हम कि सारे ही एसिड्स जो हैं वो क्या प्रोड्यूस करते हैं? हाइड्रोजन आयंस. एसिड्स दे प्रोड्यूस हाइड्रोजन आयंस. Right? We have done the name of this ion in class 9. It is called as hydrogen ion. So acids are those substances which produce hydrogen ions, right? Now this ion which is hydrogen ion, it is very very tiny in size. इसका साइज बहुत छोटा होता है. So it is not able to exist on its own, right? ये अपने आप में एग्जिस्ट नहीं कर पाता बहुत छोटे साइज की वजह से. इट डज नॉट एग्जिस्ट, इट इज नॉट एबल टू एग्जिस्ट ऑन इट्स ओन. इट बिकम्स वेरी वेरी अनस्टेबल because of its tiny, because of its very small size, and hence it exists in combination with a water molecule. हम इन सारे reactions में क्या देख रहे हैं बेटे? That water molecule is present. Water is always there in such reactions, right? तो ये ion क्या करता है? It combines with the water molecule and then it exists, right? In a stable form. ये इसकी H plus फॉर्म जो है वो अनस्टेबल है. तो ये क्या करता है? इट कंबाइंस विद वाटर. नाउ इन वाटर द फॉर्मूला इज H2O. देयर आर 2 हाइड्रोजन एंड 1 ऑक्सीजन. नाउ अनदर हाइड्रोजन इज कंबाइनिंग विद द वाटर मॉलिक्यूल. सो नाउ आई विल हैव H3O. 3 हाइड्रोजन्स हो गए और 1 ऑक्सीजन. एंड देयर वाज 1 पॉजिटिव चार्ज ऑल्सो दैट आई विल पुट हियर. दिस रिजल्टिंग आयन विच इज H3O plus is called as the hydronium ion. ये जो रिजल्टिंग H3O plus आयन है जो किसके कॉम्बिनेशन से बना है? H plus और वाटर मॉलिक्यूल के कॉम्बिनेशन से जो बना है उसको हम हाइड्रोनियम आयन बोलते हैं. तो ये क्यों बना है बेटा? Why this ion is formed? Because H plus is very small in size and because of its small size it is not able to exist on its own. So it exists in combination with water molecule. Water molecule के साथ combine करके ये exist करता है as H3O plus. तो अगर मैं सिर्फ H plus लिख रही हूँ तो इसका नाम आप क्या लिखेंगे? You will write hydrogen ion. And if I am writing H3O plus, then the name will be written as hydronium ion. So hydronium ion is nothing but a combination of H plus and water, right? So in the above reactions, I said that all acids produce hydrogen ions. H plus ions, and these ions, they would exist in combination with water molecules. These ions would exist in combination with water molecules and hence would produce H3O plus. So in other words, can I say that all acids, they produce hydronium ions? Yes, I can say that, because all the hydrogen ions जो acids produce कर रहे हैं वो water के साथ मिलके क्या बना रहे हैं? H3O plus. So we can also say that acids produce hydronium ions. So let me rewrite the equations as earlier I had written HCl in water gives me H plus and Cl minus. Now I can rewrite this equation as HCl in water would give me H3O plus plus Cl माइनस. क्यों ये मैंने लिखा बेटा? क्योंकि ये जो H प्लस यहाँ प्रोड्यूस हुआ ये कैसे एग्जिस्ट कर रहा है? इन कॉम्बिनेशन विद वाटर मॉलिक्यूल, एंड इन कॉम्बिनेशन विद वाटर मॉलिक्यूल इट बिकम्स H3O plus. Right? Similarly, if I write the other equation of nitric acid, HNO3 in water gives H plus and NO3 minus. Right? ये H plus यहाँ पर produce कर रहा है, but this H plus would combine with the water molecule to give H3O plus. So I can also write the equation like HNO3 in water would produce H3O plus plus NO3 minus. Okay, so both these equations are correct. Similarly, both these equations are correct. So we can either say that all the acids, they produce hydrogen ions when dissolved in water, or we can say that all the acids, they produce hydronium ions when dissolved in water. So this was one way of writing hydronium ion. That means one way was H3O plus. hydronium ion को आप ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं. एक और तरीका है बेटे लिखने का. How you can write hydronium ion? You can write it like this, H plus, and within bracket you can write aqueous. The meaning of aqueous is water. The meaning of aqueous is water. So by writing it this way also, I mean that H plus is existing in combination with water. So hydronium ions can either be written like this or they can be written like this.